Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I am interested to know your complete name.
Yes, my name is Rasika Chandrama.
Which name do you interest much?
I love my first name. You can call me Miss Rasika.
Okay, Rasika. The first thing is that here are some questions. So you have to select one of the question. Okay.
I selected this one.
Okay. According to your selection, you have selected question number 3. Okay. What is your academic qualification?
Yes, sir. I am a degree holder. I have a Bachelor of Science of degree in Management Information System, and already I have completed diploma of English language and also human resource management. So these are my academic qualification.
Okay. The third question about that. How will your qualification to help you in your future?
Yes, sir. My future ambition is want to be a software quality assurance. For that, already I have a Bachelor of Science in Management Information System, and also I have a 1 year experience at Orange Electric as a software quality assurance engineer. So these are help my future.
Where you have studied or where are you studying at present?
Yes, sir. As a primary student, I educated from Anand College, Alpitia. Then I passed the grade 5 scholarship. I went to the Sangamita College, Gaul, and I did my ordinary level exam and advanced level exam in Sangamita College. For my higher education, I went to the National University in Ireland. I completed my Bachelor of Science degree in National University, Ireland. So now I am going to follow the Master of Degree in Colombo University.
Okay. Do you like cooking?
Yes, sir. Cooking is pleasure for me.
Yeah.
I spend my all the free times for cooking, and I try to make some various recipes like Indian recipes, Chinese recipes, and also Japanese recipes. And my family members and my friends appreciate my cooking.
Okay. So then you tell me that who cooks food for you in your home?
Yes, sir. Cooking is pleasure for me, but unfortunately, I haven't much time for cooking. But my mother always prepare some meals for me. But if I have a free time, I always help her.
So, what food item do you like to cook?
I love cooking, so I most like to make some various type of cakes. For example, icing cake, butter cake, and also chocolate cakes. I decorate them with lovely icing labels and offer to my friends and guests.
Which meal is more important to you, lunch or dinner, and why?
Yes, sir. Important question. I think that comparing the breakfast, lunch, and dinner, breakfast is the most important meals. But otherwise, on other hand, I think comparing the lunch and dinner, lunch is the more important for us, because of that. After the long time in the middle of the day, we have to get lunch. But I don't think about the dinner, because if we get the heavy dinner, it will make you fat.
Okay, so then now you have to give the answers about that our class. You need to give that your personal views. Okay, the question number 9. How is this class special for you?
Yes, sir. This class is really special for me. When I came to this class in my very first day, I couldn't speak in English. I had a lot of doubt about the English language, about the grammatical lessons, about the presentation skills, about some speeches. But now I can speak in English. I can manage it well.
Okay. So last questions. Do you think this class is different from other normal classes?
Yes, sir. Really good one. This class is really important from other than classes. Because of that, I have a lot of experience about other class in this area. But comparing other class, this class is really special for me. Considering this class, we can learn some video clips. We use some Cambridge books, and also the most important thing is that we can come in front of the classroom and we can present speeches about public speeches, narrative speeches and also descriptive speeches. It is a really good advantage for me.
So now you have come the second stage of the speaking test. So now I am going to ask one of the speech. Okay, so before that I will give a piece of paper and this is the paper and also pen. Then I tell about that what the question is that so describe a 3-day holiday you enjoyed. So there are some 3 headings, subheadings. Under the subheading we have to talk about that. First one is that where you went, when you went, with whom you went, what preparation you did. So you have to speak about under this subheading. So you have 5 minutes, you can prepare for this speech. Rasika, are you ready for this speech?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you very much for giving this opportunity. This is my past experience. I would like to talk about my visit to Kandy. Last January, I went to the hill station with my colleges. After the final year in the university, we wanted to get some refresh, so we decided to go out. So firstly, we called to the railway station and asked about the trains, and then we booked our seats. And another step was that we wanted to find a suitable hotel. After a few calls, we found out the suitable hotel with all the facilities. So we reached Kandy in about 5 hours. Firstly, we found out our hotel and we rested for a while, and then we left to the market for buy some ornaments. Considering that market, the market is very near the famous Gigari Lake. So we very enjoyed boating and we caught some fishes and we bought some traditional wares, and also we took some photographs of each other with my camera. The most amusing experience was that the atmosphere. So sky was clear and breeze was very cool. So throughout the day. So we took our lunch at good restaurant and we returned to the hotel in the evening. On second day we went to the sightseeing. We saw popular places near the Kandy, like Dalada Maligawa, Gateway Temple and Peradeniya Flower Garden, and also Peradeniya University. I had never seen that places in my life. So it was really changed for me. On third day we took some rest. We roamed around the places and brought some traditional wares and winter wares to visit other places. So considering that trip, it was really changed for me and my colleges, because when we joined with that trip, we are fed up with our educations. So it was really changed for me and it filled me joy and energy.
So now I ask some question based on your speech. Okay?
Okay, sir.
The first question about that, what type of activities do people enjoy on holidays?
Oh yes, sir. People can obtain their holidays after the long time. Because of that, throughout the day, whole the day, they have to engage their day-to-day activities and their current occupation. So however, people can celebrate their holiday using the different ways. Someone goes to the picnic and someone celebrate the parties, and someone go to the trips, and also someone goes to the seaside. Think that someone goes to the seaside, they like to sunbathing, swimming, boating and also beach volleyball. So finally people have a lot of works to celebrate their holiday.
Okay. Then next question about that, should we prepare a budget before going on holidays?
Yes, budget preparing is the most important aspect of the holiday celebrating. Because of that, the financial planning enhances your enjoyment. It helps you to spend in money on required things. So budget planning is really important thing.
So next question, do you go on holidays on your own, or do you hire a service of a travel agent?
Yes, sir. According to my mind, it depends on my destination I want to visit. Because of that, I know the place, I know the area, and I know the hotels. I do not want to travel agent help, but think that if I go to the place in my first time, I prefer hiring the travel agent.
Which meal is more important to you, lunch or dinner? Why?
Yes, sir. Comparing breakfast, lunch and dinner, I think that breakfast is the more important meals. But comparing the lunch and dinner, lunch is the most important dinner. Because of that, after the long time in the middle of the day, we have to get lunch. It increases your blood sugar level and it make you efficiently. On other hand, considering the dinner, I think that you do not get the heavy dinner. Because of that, after the dinner, you directly go to the bed, because there are no exercises, there are no day-to-day activities. So it will help to make you fat.
What are the benefits and drawbacks of giving holidays to employees?
Yes, sir. I think that there are two parts of that protections. Sometimes we have a lot of advantages, and otherwise we have some disadvantages. But comparing the advantages and disadvantages, employees won't need to holidays for many reasons, for satisfy their personal needs, family needs, and also society needs. And also I think that it reduces employees' stress. On other hand, otherwise there are some major drawbacks of this section. Sometimes it directly affect to the company output, and also it disturbs to the working environment.
Okay. So this is the last question, Rasika, you have to give the answers. What type of jobs are offered by holiday industry these days?
Yes, sir. Holiday industry offers a lot of various jobs for the society. For example, staff guide, travel agents, and also restaurant staff. There are many type of the opportunities. If someone interested about the holiday industry, they can join them.
So I think your answers are so good. We expect to send the results within that 1 week. Okay. Before that, if you want to know some detail about that the exam results, please contact me. Otherwise, you wait until we give the results.
Sir, thank you very much for giving this opportunity.